What's up, y'all? We about to head out to a car meet. About to link up with John. It's late out Fridays. It's like a big car meet around here. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there. And I also brought my GoPro. Get some little head mount pulls, some driving footage. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so I just flashed me. John just put his 4-ways on. You good? Alright. You coming? You right there. That thing rips. That's Nick. Y'all ain't meet him yet. He got a 5.0. Alright, so let me explain to y'all what's going on here. So pretty much, we just do a lap, look at all the cars, and we're just talking about all the cars. I don't know why the audio got scuffed, but it did. And, we're here now, so it is what it is. But pretty much in this clip, all we're doing is walking around looking at cars. That's all we're really talking about, is like other people's cars. So you can skip this part, whatever. Because there's no audio, but if you want to look at the cars, look at the cars. So what's going on here is a bunch of cops pull up out of nowhere, and I was just talking to John like, yo, bro, we gotta go. A bunch of cops just pulled up, so I'm just getting in my car, and then if you look right there, you'll see a red truck. It's called the Red Army around here. It's just because all the cop cars are red. The truck hasn't pulled up yet, but you'll see him. There he is, right there. He tries to block us in. He ends up blocking that car in front of John. And then I'm the only way to where John can get out. So right now, me and John are talking about, yo, bro, let's go. And then I'm like, all right, I'm going to pull out. So if I didn't pull out right there, we probably would have got stuck. And you can see over there to the right, they blocked all the entrances except for the one they couldn't get to, which was where I ended up taking us and leading us out from. So yeah, after that, we just go up, make a U-turn, and then hop on the highway and start getting busy, just to get away from them. So the cops came and shut that down so fast, bro. It was probably because of the dirt bikes, but they tried to block us in, you know, and then you'll see in the, or you saw already in the footage. They tried to block us in. I don't know, that was crazy, but we're going to spot number 2 right now, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we get there. Oh, and all the other clips, the audio got scuffed for whatever reason, but look, the cops are already here.
We haven't even been here for what, like,
bro, we have been here for 5 minutes, bro.
That's crazy.
They got to be watching like the pages or something about the meat spots.
Vlog.
What, a takeover? Yeah. Yo, this idiot wants to go to a takeover, bro.
Bro, this is the first takeover I would have ever been to. Yeah, you're drawing for that.
Look, another cop though just pulled up. Oh, it's too far.
The little spot after this.
Yeah.
Bro, motherfuckers get hit so bad.
Bro, that's what I'm trying to say. Don't be that bullshit.
So they going to a takeover. I don't like takeovers, so I ain't going. I don't support takeovers, so I don't want to go. So they going to a takeover. I don't like takeovers, so I ain't going. I don't support takeovers, so I don't want to go. Probably my favorite tunnel ever, dude. Y'all can tell why. But yeah, that's the best tunnel around here. Except if you're going north on 95, going up towards Philly, you're going to go underneath them long tunnels. But other than that, that's one of the best ones around. That's pretty much it for tonight, y'all. That's the end of the video too, man. I'm done for tonight. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. I appreciate y'all watching.